2 years ago, I started YouTube automation and made 40K across all my YouTube channels. And in this video, I'm gonna break down my whole journey and show you how you can do the exact same thing. It all started one summer. I was a normal teenager, but I wanted to make some money really quickly.
Well, what color's your bugatti?
So I looked into YouTube and decided to start a YouTube channel. The first thing I did back then was look what was trending right now, and I came across the NFT trend.
Delete that screenshot.
For my first video, I basically just copied a competitor's video one-on-one and uploaded it to my channel. Once I had uploaded the video, I kind of forgot about it, but when I looked back into the video 2 weeks later, it was popping off. What I didn't know at the time is that I used the concept of trend checking. And trend checking is basically just making a video about something that is trending right now. So right now, you could, for example, make a video about the Smurf cat. I think you get what I mean. Another really good blow-up method that I recommend everyone to use is to incorporate something in your video that makes people want to comment. So what I did is I, for example, did open a tab where there was something weird, like for example, sexy Shrek pictures. And with that, you got people to comment and it's gonna boost the engagement and basically give you more views. Just after 2 months of posting, I got monetized with that channel. I still remember being at school and seeing that email that I was monetized, and it was just a crazy dopamine hit. So over the next couple of months, I started to make 1K a month, then 2K a month, 3K a month, and even 4K a month.
What's the word of the day? Cash!
The reason I was getting so many views is because I did something different than everybody else. Other people were basically just talking about all of these different NFT topics, but I was trying to identify what people were really interested in. So I, for example, came up with videos like how to create 3D NFTs. And I'm telling you, I was pretty much the first one ever covering that topic. And that video got 800K views, and I did many more like that. So once you have found a winning concept, just keep on repeating that. The NFT trend slowly died towards the end of April, so I was making less and less. But the funny thing is, I started to make even more than before. Because what I did was I started promoting affiliate links, and I started getting thousands of dollars for just 1-minute promotions in my video. I was really sad that I didn't do that sooner, so remember, if you start getting some views, go look for third-party advertisers for your videos. So I still worked on that channel for 6 more months because I was really attached to it since it was my first ever channel, but looking back on it, I probably should have moved on sooner. So the next channel I started was an AI channel, and again, I was using the trend since AI started popping back then. The growth of that channel was a lot slower than the NFT one though. But here's the twist, I made 1K with that channel before it was even monetized. So for all the beginners, listen up. So basically what I would do is search up different AI tools websites and then just shoot them a message and tell them like, hey, for 50 bucks, I will promote your AI tool on my channel. And I'm telling you, this worked better than I thought because I even made $100 a day with just these simple promotions of these AI tools. With that channel, I got a bit complacent though, because it was a lot of work emailing all these people and then still making the videos. And I wasn't even monetized. But in case you're facing the same issue with monetization, I'm literally giving away a monetized channel to one of you guys. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is basically just comment your favorite fruit and also a little explanation of why you should get the channel, and you have to be subscribed too, of course. Shouting this video out in the Insta story and then tagging me gives you extra credit. Anyways, after that channel, I was basically in the search for a new niche again, and I stumbled upon a new niche, which was the President's Gaming niche.
Bruh.
Hired some freelancers and then published the first video. And already the first video kind of blew up and got 8K views, which is really good for a first video. And then within 3 weeks, I was completely monetized. And what did I use again? Trend checking. And I basically made $1,000 with that channel. Once I was running that channel, I created another similar channel too though, where the presidents were just rating a bunch of stuff. Long story short, I also monetized that channel and made a quick 500 bucks off that channel. The problem with all of these channels were that they read really low RPM, so I wasn't earning much of the views I got. So I searched for a niche with a really high RPM, and little did I know that I stumbled across a gold mine. The niche I found was a rather small niche, so I didn't think much of it in the beginning. But I posted one video and got lucky and it instantly blew up. So I already made my first $30 on that channel on the second day of uploading. And video after video that I posted on that channel got crazy views. And more importantly, after only uploading for 1 week on that brand new channel, I already made $500. I kept uploading for 3 months on that channel and made 10K, and I would say that this is probably one of my best channels ever. So if you want to see the full breakdown of that channel, go ahead and check out this video right here. And thank me later.